I'm Shantek, and today in this video we'll take a look at how to set up my simple task tracker plugin for Minecraft Java servers. You can download it for free on Modrinth, and it's available for Bucket, Spigot, Paper or Purpur based servers. So to get started, we'll select our server and click download to download the jar file. Then we can upload this jar file to our server and reboot. Next, you'll need to set up some permission nodes for your mods or anyone who will be using this plugin. They are pretty self-explanatory, but view will allow them to view any of the tasks, add to add a task, delete to mark one as complete, and notify as well as the view permissions together will then send a delayed notification when they join the server to let them know of any outstanding tasks. Then jumping onto our server using the /add task command, we can type whatever we want in here for our task. So in this case, create a tutorial video for the plugin. Any staff who are online at the time will also see a notification in game to tell them that you've added the task. So we'll just add a second task here and then we'll disconnect from the server. Then when we reconnect, we'll get a notification in game which will be delayed and let us know of any outstanding tasks. This has a delay just so it doesn't get caught up in any other joining notifications that you already receive. Typing /task will bring up our task list. If we hover over, it'll tell us who added it and how long ago. And then pressing the tick will mark it as complete. Again, any of your staff that may be online will also be notified in game at the time of ticking them off. This plugin was created for my Block Horizon SMP to help maintain and manage the server, so hopefully you'll also find it useful. If there are other things you'd like to see, let me know in the comments.